Hello everyone. I wanted to take a few minutes and go over some basic rules for using the internet to communicate with each other. Internet rules are known as netiquette, and it's really etiquette for the internet. Let's talk about some basic guidelines. Just practice the golden rule, which is do unto others as you would have them do unto you. So this means to show respect because you want respect from other people. So don't be rude or sarcastic. Don't write in all caps. That's considered shouting or flaming. Always be forgiving of others. No one is perfect. You're going to make a mistake sometime. I'm going to make a mistake sometime. We all make mistakes. So be forgiving. Always think before you hit the send button and never respond in anger. If you need to, walk away and then come back and compose your response. Always be polite and pleasant. Don't waste people's time. Make your messages short and to the point. Check spelling and grammar to make sure that your message is readable, and always respect the privacy of other people. There are a few different guidelines for emails. For example, always identify who you are when you're composing your email. Always write in the subject line. Acknowledge and respond to emails promptly. Use a pleasant tone, style, and appropriate language for your audience. Use few emoticons. Use asterisks around words to show emphasis, and I gave you an example here of finally. Common acronyms are acceptable in certain situations, such as LOL. Once again, never flame. No sarcasm, no mocking. Always have a polite and kind tone. Be wary of copying and forwarding emails without other people's knowledge. And remember that emails are never really private. Here are a few guidelines to use when you're participating in forums or blogging. For example, if you're on a discussion board and you're going to post a question, check first to see if someone has posted that same question already, or check either the FAQ page or the internet to see if you can find the answer on your own. If you're posting or asking a question, remember to be brief, get to the point, and stay on topic. Your question or post is much more likely to be read and considered if it is short and to the point. Never use all caps. Do not take a sarcastic, rude, or mocking tone. If you're referencing something that a classmate has posted earlier in the discussion, it would be very helpful if you could quote a few lines from their post to help others follow the discussion. If you disagree with someone, remember to be respectful. Acknowledge the other person's valid points in your response. And if you're posting a question, you may have a lot of people respond to you. When that happens, it's a good idea to post a summary of their answers so that everyone can see the responses. If you're answering someone else's question, be certain that your answer is accurate and brief. Always check your spelling and grammar, and always be forgiving of the mistakes of other people. Final thoughts are, use good manners and be concise. Remember, you're treating other people the way that you want to be treated. Think about whether your message or your post is true, helpful, informative or inspiring, necessary or kind. If it is, then you can hit send.